Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 9, palindrome number. It is an easy level problem on the LeetCode and it is a quite famous one. I mean very famous, and it also has been asked on many interviews question. If you are in the coming into the programming world, you need to solve this problem, I can say. And let's look at the problem statement. Here we have given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So first of all, let us understand what is palindromes. Palindrome can be a word, phrase, or number if it is read as forward or backward. If it's reading as forward or backward is same, then it is a palindrome number. Like as you can see here in the example given, 1, 2, 1, reading as forward or reading as backward. There is no difference here. And here -1, 2, 1, like as you can see here, when I read it backward, 1, 2, 1 minus, like from left to right, it reads as -1, 2, 1. From right to left becomes 1, 2, 1 minus. So therefore, it is not a palindrome. As you can see here, at x is equal to 10, false. It's 0 to 1 from the left, right to left, and therefore it is not palindrome. Like as I say what is palindrome? Forward or backward needs to be same, and it is a palindrome. So what can be our approach here is, we'll first take an element and assign that. Maybe first take a variable and assign that variable the given number, because we are making that all the operations in that variable we will be assigning, and at the last we need to compare the one answer given final output to the original given number. So the variable we have assigned, and we will take a loop then, and in that loop first we will extract the last digit and take another variable and multiply that variable with the 10, so that the last digit we have extracted shift to the left side and the remaining digit can be added. I think you are getting my point. So at the last we will divide that number by 10 so we can extract the remaining number. So that's the main idea. And the number we have sum up at the another variable, we will compare it with the original variable. If the number is same, we will return true. If the number is not same, we will simply return false. So let's solve it. I said we will take a temporary variable here and assign that original number into this temporary variable. Now we will look through this until this number is not 0. And now I will extract the last digit here by dividing by using modulo operator. As I said, we will take another variable also. So we can reverse this number. To reverse this, we will multiply this number by 10. So the last digit we have extracted shifts to the front and the remaining digit can be added. At last, we will divide the temporary variable by 10. So we will get the remaining digit, and the same process can be followed. And at last, we will be comparing the rev, the reverse one, and the original number we have given. If this number is same, we will simply return true. Otherwise, we will return false. Okay, let's try to submit this. So here we need to, okay. Also, I need to be careful about the negative number. Let's try it again. Okay. And I have a few other score. Now let's try to submit this again. Okay, this case has been I forgot to mention. Like I have assigned, as you can see, the int in the temporary number int ref. So assume int has a certain number of limits. If that limit exceeds, the variable of int can't be able to store that. So what is happening here? The value is being exceeding, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 can be able to store in the int, but if the reverse is being done, the value is being exceeded and int can't be able to store this. So to solve this, we need to replace here long. Let's try to submit this again. Let's first check the test cases. Okay. So guys, as you can see here, our answer has been submitted and all the test cases has been passed. So that's it from my side. Thank you.